Jackson! We need Jackson!
I don't think it comes in that time.
Okay.
And I'll go first. I will activate Stinky. Nope, and I'll make a push. I'll push for...
Oh, I won't. Oh, well, if you start to push that, like, it'll be a winner. I can make a cat card from your deck. But if you summon, you get to set a spell card. If you get on the front of him, you get hurt.
Yep. Leave me alone.
That's
That's obvious.
I told you to just buy the card.
Why don't you buy the card? Alright, leave me alone. I can't do something.
Huh?
I can't do something.
Really good. You should go for Dragon Ball. Exactly. Well, 2 minutes. I mean, he did the